Do it properly.
I did it.
Okay, get this up. Do the other one as well. Say morning, say it here.
Morning. I got channel.
Say we're making
Egg.
egg. Okay, your turn for that one. We're gonna make a scrambled egg, guys. Do it properly, huh? And then you mix it. Oh, whoosh.
I did it.
You did it. Good job. Thanks for helping him. Let me just get the shell. Mix.
It's one milk.
Oh yes, Mama will put that. Good job, baby. Okay, mix. I'm gonna make a hot pack for Daddy Marcus.
This Daddy's.
So big, yes.
This Daddy's egg. Daddy's egg.
Yeah. Daddy Marcus in pain. Yung kanyang binunutan na ngipin ay swollen at it hurts daw. And nag-research siya, nag-google siya kasi nasasaktan na talaga siya, guys. And according to his research, yung pang-3 araw talaga is yung pinaka-worst daw na pain. More honey ka? Like this? Nalagyan natin ng milk na ka.
No. I like this.
Replace hot water immediately if it looks damaged or as speak, blah blah blah. Lagyan natin ng tubig. Thank you, Bling.
It's time to eat.
It's
time to eat.
It's time to eat? Not yet, Baba. We still have to cook it. Oh, we could eat it like that. Not in the microwave. I'm just gonna cook it in the pan.
Pan?
Yes. Thank you for helping. Egg.
Dad, it's finished. Mommy. Mix it. Mom, it's done. Mommy, it's done.
Done?
Yeah.
Oh, so good. Thank you, baby.
Done. Hi, guys.
So we're gonna cook this.
No, I said. Mommy, Auntie, where's listen?
She's not listening?
Yeah. I don't want to listen. Auntie, it's me to eat. It's me to eat too. I said happy? Yes, I'm happy. Mommy, I'm gonna fly down now.
You wanna come down?
Mommy, I need to buy some. Mommy, is this the father's? The father showed you this.
What happened?
Your father said that you what? Mommy. Father showed us.
What's in my back, honey?
Nothing.
What's thing you talking about?
I'm not sure. I got feathers.
Feathers? Is there feathers?
Yeah, the feathers on your back.
Is there feathers?
No. bum bum.
It's your bum bum.
Oh, I love those.
This one is nice, yeah. Oh, what's wrong?
I can smell with the bum bum. It's not me. It's Lily. I'm not one. I didn't even. I finished my lighting. Daddy changed me.
Whoa. It's a mermaid.
I just said, hello.
Have a look at the mermaid dancing. Show me your dance. So it's now 1:20 ng hapon and nagbibihis kami. So nag-ready ako and then yung mga kids next pinaliguan ko na silang dalawa. So we have a second birthday party na pupuntahan ngayong hapon. So yung friend ni Baby CELINE from playgroup, in-invite kami last week. And nag-ask ko kung pwede kong madala si Ate Paris. And thankfully, she said yes. So dadalhin natin yung dalawa. Daddy Mike will stay here kasi magre-rest siya para sa kanyang ngipin. Did you?
Yeah.
Good job, my love. Is that soft?
Yeah.
Very excited siyang magpaalam na nakapupo siya. And maaga kami nga alis kasi pupunta pa kami ng Kmart. As usual, guys, hindi kami bumili ng regalo kahapon. Ngayon kami bibili just before going to the event. Oh, you okay? So yeah, nakapagbis na ako. Ito yung aking pa-outfit for today. Okay, para makita. Pack. And I'll just brush my hair kasi hindi ko pa na supply. Ano na tayo, Ivy? Tapos yung mga kids na lang. Please. Come this way. Do you want me to put it on? Or you do it? You do it? Okay. So it's now 2 o'clock ng hapon, guys. At nakalabas na tayo. This is our full outfit for today. And this is Ate Paris's. Hey! Baby girl, come here, show your outfit as well. So CELINE looks like she looks like an ice cream and a cake at the same time. Yeah! Last night, hindi ako nakapag-park dito after buying pizza kasi may nag-park dito sa car spot na to. So, wala akong makitang ibang parking kundi last time, remember, doon din ako nag-park. At malayo siya. Anyways, we have to walk there. We got no choice. This way, girls! Hindi na ako nag-makeup, guys. Tingnan nyo, naglagay lang ako ng sunscreen at eyebrow. Kasi wala nang pulbo-pulbo. Kasi very din naman humid. Okay, follow the leader. Oh my God. See, doon tayo nag-park. Okay, follow ate. Sana hindi ito magpakarga. Okay, follow ate. Looks cute, eh? Just turned on the car. Hintay mo na konti. Tingnan niyo yan siya. O, tingnan niya ang mukha. Very sleepy na yan siya. Hindi pa yan siya nagnanap. 2 o'clock.
I'm taking care of a baby.
The elf. Baby elf. Where are you going, Lini?
Cake.
Birthday.
Birthday.
Friend's birthday.
No, Lily's birthday.
Oh, you say your birthday? Okay, bye-bye.
It's not your birthday.
Ayun na lang.
Okay, it's your birthday. It's your birthday, but you're sharing with your friend, okay? That's the same day.
Because she's very sleepy and she didn't have a nap.
So stop now.
Ay, no.
Hug me.
Oh, okay.
I wasn't hurting. I was just having.
Cuddle only, please. No hurting. Cuddle only. Cuddle only. There you go. Cuddle. Wow, beautiful shoes, girls. I love them shoes. Very sparkly. Hindi halatang sira-sira na ba? Kasi puno ng pearls and mga rhinestones ba?
Wala.
So, hindi naman halata, anak.
Mama, look at my hand. There's my chili.
Buti na lang yung breeze is maganda. Wawala yung init kapag may hangin. Okay, Ate Stan.
Ate. Thank you. Sharing.
Sharing. Good girl. Sharing is caring. Ate, more than that, ate. Ano, manigmanok, oy. Hindi man lagi sa... Ang ginamagkubig, marag... Manok.
About again. Babes.
What is it? Grapes?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like grapes, but it's not grapes, honey.
Okay, ready.
Look. Yeah, something.
Eat it. What's that? Ding. Go get grape.
Come on, should be right now. Let's go in. This way, Mama. Open the door. Lini first. Ano ate? Andito kami sa Kmart, guys. Bibili kami ng regalo. At itong dalawa, feel na feel nila na sila yung bibili. Para sa kanila. This one looks nice. Maybe doctor's net or something.
Just get anything. It's fine.
That one, doctor's kit. Yeah. I think I'd like anything really. Yes, baby.
Richard.
This one is nice. May mga sasakyan siya sa likuran and then it's a big truck carrying them. Daming options. So we got everything that we need, guys. Ito yung nabili namin. And of course, hindi mo papahuli yung mga kids. Ayan, napabili din sila nasa kanila.
This one is my candy.
Bili muna kami ng sushi dito bago kami pumunta. So just in time, 3 o'clock. Magringaling mo. I please. Hi, how are you? Can I grab just one California roll, please?
Only one?
Just,
And what
thank you.
The baby is okay?
Yes, that's okay. Thank you. And one mugu mugu. Thank you. Ito siya very maldita guys. Thank you.
Smaller?
Kakarating lang namin dito guys. Tingnan niyo. Uy, pagising. Tulog pa more. Ay, paano na yan? Mabubuhayan naman to sila ng dugo kapag nalabas. But that's why she was very silky kasi very sleepy na yan siya. Hindi nagnap kanina. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amado. Happy birthday to you. Lini ang! Wow! Plaster rin si Intay kaya cake ang! Yummy! Shark! Shark! Yummy? What flavor is it lang? Oh, sorry. The girls are having fun. Hold on, hold on. Okay, alright, go. hold on to the rope.
Happy birthday! Yeah,
Good job. Wow. Ah, that's nice. Open na kaagad lang, ano eh. Alala. Na-open. Look at this. It's cool. What's inside your thing? Don't mix it. Yeah, don't mix it. Careful, please. Bahay ng kami, guys. Bit-bit na na-entires ang kanyang araw-ano. Wow, look at that. You made a show.
Girls, can you please make sure you keep it tidy? Promise? Good girl. Good girl, Abby. Good job, man, at the party?
Yeah.
Did you do lots of gymnastics?
Well, there's no gymnastics there.
It looks like there was.
Well, it wasn't.
Well, I seen ropes and stuff.
Daddy, that's not gymnastics.
What do you think that is, Rose?
That's for baby stuff.
Is that baby gymnastics? Was it fun?
Yeah, but there's another place that looks like gymnastics.
Huh?
But that was actually gameplay.
Sampay muna tayo, guys. Walang mga girls ay naglalaro. Sampay ko more. Kasi mainit sa labas. Ang daling mag-drive, ah. Gawa tayo ng dinner, guys. Yung very lights lang. Para sa mga girls kasi late na yung birthday, di ba? So kumain ng cake, kumain ng sandwich. So hindi yan sila gutom, but I'm still gonna make them something. So we're gonna have some corn crackers. Then we'll have the chunk style tuna with cheese.
Because right now, one of us is always waiting and one of us is always losing.
Ang ating tatay ay namilo. Namilo. Kakainom lang niya ng gamot. So, hindi na sakit. Kaya nagkupit. Yum. Look at this.
And today we're ready to make that a reality.
It's not crispy anymore.
So then,
Thank you, baby. Look at this too. Nag-shower ko.
we're wearing 4 blankets.
Yung blanket na silang dalawa dito sa kwarto.
What's they called?
Are you cold?
It's a cold baby.
Po.
We can't get out.
Anong oras na eh? Nagising ko silang dalawa. Diyos ko. Yung talagang isa Kaya very sleepy na yan siya ba? Ang pagkahiga ko niya, natulog na rin yan siya ba? Okay, we'll just put cream and we'll put our sleeping clothes on.
I went in the shower and I donned my clothes. Our privacy. I'm my mommy.
What's wrong?
I'm bed. Dad, my auntie, I want the Father, the Son, Holy Spirit, better. Amen. Mommy.
Good night, sweetheart.